Hi guys, good day to y'all. Today is Wednesday and welcome back to another video. So guys, today the children, they had an half a day, at school, and they are home. The evening is still early, guys, and they want to go to the park. We don't know what we're gonna do really in the park, because honestly I was thinking about we could go and do some tennis, play some tennis, but the rackets are in our shed and hubby is not home. Hubby is the one with the key to the shed, you understand me? So guys, we're gonna have to do without playing tennis, but we can do other stuff in the park, yeah. So come along guys, and I hope that you enjoy this adventure with us. All right, thank you. Guys, I'm making some Milo tea. Yay! Guys, don't think my bagel is burnt. This is how I like my bagel, okay? So I'm just applying some cream cheese to it, because honestly I'm feeling a bit peckish and I'm not going to buy anything outside. We are trying our best to stop the eating outside, guys. We know it's hard, but yeah guys, we've been considering this for months, with the children it's kind of difficult, but we have to practice, So Josh asked me to make him a cup of Milo as well.
This is a big part.
Guys, we're contemplating where to go really. Abby and myself, we want to go to the farm. The boys want to go to, well, Joshua want to go somewhere else and Jeremiah want to go somewhere else. Joel, where you want to go? And Joel want to go to the farm. Guys, catch you there wherever we end up. Yeah. So why didn't you bring your water, Mama?
You just need to do it like this. It's just rolling the grass.
Yeah. I want to sit somewhere where the sun is. Come, baby. Joshy, take a cup off the dirty ground, please. That's dirty. That's the food. Ooh, the sound of that beautiful bird. Still beautiful in fall. So you guys can play a ball over here. Now I'm gonna eat my bagel and drink my tea, my Milo tea. Careful guys. You can play a ball over here, so. Alright, look guys. Go in that big opening right there. That big opening? Yeah, you can go over there. And careful with that hand. Oh, thank you, Sugar. You're so nice. Give me a little hug. Mommy love you, baby. Thanks, yeah. Alright. Can I drink a tea?
Yes,
Careful, baby, because it's not so strong, I'm afraid. The chipmunks, them always in another little garden here. Look where the bird drink water. Oh, poor thing. Why the water looks so dirty? See, at least we can be near each other. Good catch, Joey. Nice. What do you think? Alright, let's stay right here. Mommy, come now. Just want to get my extra sweater. Jerry, pull this off for mommy. Pull off the sleeve, baby. Pull out now, baby, pull. Thank you. Alright. It dropped. Wow.
Now it's cold.
So keep on the sweater then.
It's gonna be hot if I do that.
Pleasure drinking tea there. Oh, I think it's the mama.
Mommy,
I thought it was pop. It smelled like butter. That's why.
Oh, really?
It's because I had the popcorn bag in my hand.
Oh.
Please be careful with that. But I was gonna come over here.
Guys, stop complaining about the sun. It's so sunny, so this, it's so that. Thanks, man.
Where's the helicopter?
Abba is even giving us both. Look how blessed we are. We're getting the sun and we're getting cold breeze. That's awesome. Time nice. Come here. As I was saying, guys, we are trying our best, you know, to cut out the eating, like, you know, too much eating outside. You know, as a family, guys, honestly, if it was up to my husband alone, none of us would eat out, because my husband is very skeptic, beyond skeptic. You know, whatever goes in his mouth, you know. I'm skeptic too, but I'm like, you know, sometimes, you know, me being the cook at home, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's a lot, you know, and I need some rest, you know. Tired of cooking, and so we say, okay, let's just go out and eat or buy something and eat. But
Where's the husky? I mean, where's the dog?
That's why she wanted to come to the park. Abigail did 4 tests today, guys, at school, so she said she kind of look a bit tired. She still want to come on Animal Farm.
Josh, you want to play Moss? Where?
Disclaimer. While talking, I remember, you know, but it kind of slipped me. If you see videos after this where we're eating out, they were done before this, okay? So please don't judge and say, oh, whatever, you said this and you after, you know. Yeah. We're not perfect. We're just trying, you know. And we might look weird to people and such, but it's fine. We're set apart. And that's okay. It's okay to be different. Careful, Jerry. I wouldn't see. Oh my goodness. Really? You want to video it? Aww. Aww.
Come on, Katerina. We're gonna go in the forest.
Tell her to be careful, Jerry.
Mommy, the baby almost touched.
Careful.
Come on, Cat.
There's the bug. It's alive.
He was about to pick it up. Make it move.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. Jerry make friend ear, you know. Man, Joey. Boo boo.
Yes, Mommy.
Thank you. Oh, he's acting German. Oh, you break his arm. Oh. I like that. I love that. We should all live as one and in love. If you love one another. Love is the key, guys. Love is the answer.
And it's not even heavy. Once we lay something, and when someone's head is laying on my foot, it's uncomfortable.
It's uncomfortable.
Josh, come and play too. Nice catch, Jerry. Encourage each other. Say nice catch. Ooh.
You guys are paying attention.
Good, Jerry. Not while him down, you know. Nice catch. Nice. So cute. This one is so wow.
I want to see it run.
That's so nice. I like that.
So this is off the tree.
Oh yeah, my eat leaf.
Oh
Oh, so cute.
wow. Right. Imagine they let go on accident.
Right and come off for we.
Hey.
But that gone like jet left no.
Where's Joelle?
Oh. So
No way.
far throw, Jerry.
Where did the other one go?
Wow, that's nice. I like the way they walk them out. That's nice. Wow. Perfect wool.
She's a Romney Cross. Her breed is known for wool.
Okay.
She's got those pretty curls.
Yeah.
She has a better hair care routine than I do.
Right?
We use the purple shampoo and the conditioning cream.
Hey, pretty.
Yes.
Oh. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, of
For
course.
having. Aw.
Let's go.
Like I don't want to go. I want to eat.
The tree's life is the step.
Yeah. How you know that? Baby.
I learned about it in homeschool.
You know, homeschool.
Yes,
That's nice. I know you're a bright boy anyways. I know you remember. Come and turn on for mommy so I can wash my hand. One, please. You have to, yeah. Do it tight. Do it like hard. Thank you.
I am. No, I said I'm gonna be there. I'm trying to get my head up.
Whoa.
I'm trying to. Oh,
Yeah, she's strong. Can you believe it? Your baby gets so big. You gotta run, Jerry.
yes, sir.
You ready to go home?
No, mommy.
You ready to go home, Jerry?
No, mommy.
Josh, you ready to go home?
No, mommy.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, the person that I was playing football with, his name is.
Okay. You tell him your name? It is midday here and it is the following day, and guys, I'm just here putting my hair in a simple protective box braid hairstyle. So guys, I am here doing some stew peas, and this stew peas is only peas, no meat, nothing at all like that. But here I have my seasonings. You know, they are washed and really ready to go in the pot, but I have to go outside to get, you know, a pepper, you know, to add flavor to the stew peas, you know. And when I come back inside, I'll be washing the rice because I have some water in the pot as well, you know, that I need to put the rice in. All right, so let's go and pick a pepper. This kind of too soft, you know, this is firm, so I can pick this. Alrighty. Ooh, so there's two over here. This one is not bad at all. This one kind of softish. This not bad, so I'm gonna pick this. What a blessing when you can come pick your stuff to put in your pot. Guys, let's go back inside. We magnify your name. You know, this is all the seasons that I'm gonna use in both pots, so just gonna separate, you know, some of the scallion and one of the pepper for the rice pot, you know. And I love to, you know, kind of crush my scallion or green onions, you know, in my palms, or rub them together, rub it together with my two hands. But because I'm holding the camera, kind of difficult right now, but let's go put this in the pot, the rice pot that is. And I had, and I had went ahead and, you know, added some butter to the water, so that's why it looks like that. So let's add the rice in a bit, but I'm gonna go and wash it first, you know. This is really my stew piece pot. You know, I did pressure the peas and I didn't change the pot, so I'm gonna use all this, you know, green onion or scallion, because I love when my pot is tasting really lovely. Yep. So guys, when I'm done, this is gonna be so good. Even though there's no meat in it, it's gonna be really delicious, you know. And then I'm gonna add all this thyme to it. So let's just put everything in the pot. So I had went ahead and added, you know, the coconut milk already. So if you're wondering, and for the carrots, you know, I'm gonna leave that, you know, for about 10 minutes when I'm ready to kind of turn off, you know, the stew peas. But right now it's, you know, it's still watery. As you can see, it's not ready yet, so I have to bring it down a bit more, thicker than this. Right now the consistency is a bit too watery. I'm gonna wash the rice right now and put that in. Let's wash our rice. I was told before that people in America don't wash rice, but you know, we're used to this from back home. You know, we wash our rice because look at this. See how dirty that is? That is dirty, not because it's white. And when you wash your rice, it tastes even better, you know. It tastes much better. Clean cooking around here. Clean cooking. Clean, clean, clean. Delicious cooking. Alright, so I'm gonna wash this like 2 more times and then put it in the pot. And for those who would like to know how I know the water is perfect, I was taught by my grandmother to place a spoon or a fork or whatever it is in the middle of, you know, the pot, and if it stands up like this, the water is perfect. Because we don't like saggy rice, we like our rice to nice and shelly, where you can count the grains. Now if the water is too much, then the utensil will go like this, right? It will fall. Let's cover to steam. Surely getting thicker. And you can go ahead, if you want, you can add your little seasoning to it, your all-purpose, you know, whatever, complete. That's a nice seasoning you can use as well, you know, to flavor up your pot, you know. So let's bring this down to a bit more. Remember, we don't have no meat type in this, you know. Normally I would use chicken or salted fish. Many minutes later, it's time for me to add, you know, the carrots. By the way, my hands are clean and I'm cooking for my family, okay? It's almost ready, you know. So right now, guys, I have my stew peas on low and let our carrots cook.
We can't overcome. You wouldn't have told us that we could if we can't, or if we couldn't. Okay? So faith without works is dead. You must produce the fruit. We have to produce fruit, guys. Okay, so we're going to keep
First John 2:4 says, if you say you know him and did not keep his commandments, you are a
liar.
So if someone professes to be a true believer and yet behaves in a manner contrary to that profession,
True. See the rice come out nice? Even though it's still, you know, steaming. You know, it's not completely cooked, you know, but right now I'm gonna take my shower. Don't forget, this is 2 peas without spinners, without meat. Yep, this is it, guys. I'm done cooking. So before I share dinner, I just received a little package, you know, something that I purchased for my hubby, and I want to show you guys. It's a little key ring, you know, but I think it's so cute because my hubby is a handyman, right? And I know he's gonna love it. I know he's gonna love it, guys. I just want to show you guys quickly before I go and share his dinner. Look at it. See that, guys? Aww. And on the front it says Dad. So there's a hammer, wrench, and a screwdriver. I know hubby's gonna love it. I'm gonna go and give it to him right now. And also I purchased one for myself. It says Mom, guys. Look how pretty is that. Gorgeous. Babe, I bought you something. I know you're not a person who is of the big gigantic stuff. I know you're somebody who, you know, is more about the thought. And even if me not do it, it's still not nothing to you. But I saw this and I think it's so cute. It's a keychain and I think you like it.
I do. Thank you, babe.
Okay. Why you like it?
Because
What is it really saying to you?
I'm a builder, man.
You're Andy man, no? And also what?
I'm a trade man, you appreciate it.
And what else?
I'm a dad.
Of course. You think it's cute?
Yeah, it is.
Hmm.
I like it.
I think it's so cute too. But you know, so I look on it when it was online, I say it looks so big, but you know. But it's so cute, baby, the way they did it. Like this is like a ruler. What do you call it? The thing where you use measure?
It is a ruler.
Oh, it's
Or
a ruler?
tape measure.
Tape measure. You know? You like it, bro?
And then this is a adjustable wrench.
So at least me get that right. It's a wrench,
Adjustable wrench.
screwdriver.
A screwdriver. And of course a hammer.
Oh. So what do I get for that? Alright.
Go hide it from Joey.
Joey, I gonna like it. Alright, I'm gonna share food here. This is my dinner. As you can see, it's only stewed peas and white rice without meat or spinners. And I'm telling you, I wish you guys could see Obi's reaction. He was like, it's so good. It is so good. You know, the anything with coconut is really lovely, guys. So you don't have to always be eating meat. You know, it's so delicious. Yummy. Guys, I want to know if ear for myself, right? So I didn't get a chance to record my hubby, you know, because I had to go and pick up the boys, you know. So
One of the best 2 peas you ever make.
for real.
And full dry.
So guys, the reason why I wanted you guys to bear witness of what my hubby, you know, just told me, because some people believe so you have to eat 2 peas with meat. You don't have to.
One problem I tell me about it. I wish my belly a little bigger.
Whoa.
It's the second plate, trust me.
Oh yeah, Abby said the same thing. It's really good. My belly full too. It's really nice, guys. I'm telling you. Me eating in the car. So I go in America. Sometimes I have to run with your food, you know. So I didn't want to wait until I come back because I was hungry, and Abby did as well because she came with me, you know. So the boys are home now, guys. So after all of that shower and all of that, then, you know, we share the dinner. Hey guys, welcome back to the following evening, and here we have Jerry, fixing up a brand new bird cage we purchased for our birds. So now our birds have 3 cages, and the reason why we had purchased this one, we decided on having, the one that hubby made. We're gonna have that as their outside cage, but for this one here, it's gonna be the inside cage. And as we all know, we are in fall, and soon we will be in winter, and we want to make sure that our birds are safe and warm because they are family. They are part of us, and we love them so much. So Jeremiah, he decided on, putting the cage together, and we are very proud of him. I wish I had took the camera out, when he had just started opening the box in which, the cage was delivered. I am very proud of these boys. The Most High has blessed me with some wonderful sons, very handy with their hands, and I can see a lot of daddy in them. So our birds will be, taking over this cage soon, or they'll be entering their new home soon.
We are troubled on every side, yet not distressed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Cast down, but not destroyed. It is only through Yah that we are strong and that we endure. Hallelujah.
You will meet him in heaven. But when the fullness of time had come, Yahuwah sent forth his son, born of woman, born under the law. Galatians 4:4. To life when we wanted to, but rather when the time is right. Under Yah's authority, Habakkuk encouraged those to heard the prophecy to have faith, for they shall renew their strength. They shall mount.
Stop it. Be nice. No fighting, okay? No fighting. Line. Hi, little girl.
Resources that is put together. So that way we won't be dependent so much on other things. So praise God. I promise to be brief, within 2 minutes, and allow, if there's a rebuttal, especially if there's a rebuttal, please allow there to be two Shabbats past. The last conversation we had was on our first element of spiritual warfare, which is understanding what is spiritual about spiritual warfare. And talk about, we can't ask questions. We talked about the spirit. We looked at the verses that show that the spirit of Yah is the mind of Yah.
Ew, they covered up the water.
Of their heart. The scripture is constantly revealing like a true understanding of how to perceive the term spirit. But we, the way that we use it on TV and churches and all these different things,
What's going on
because
again?
we're bringing in what we learn from churches and we're bringing it to our study of the Word of God. And this is where we have to unlearn these things. We have to get rid of these things to perceive what the scripture is telling us to do clearly.
Jerry.
Power of Yah to move outside of its love for Yah. Because the love for Yah
You fasting?
is out here. So we're going to go to that verse. And I think it's in 1 John chapter 4. You're going to see what it means by...
Who the one already start watching me?
It's talking about the mindset of fear.
He's the one on
So
this
let's look at
one.
this.
Really?
Verse
My love is nice. Oh. So guys, good morning. Josh is in our bed, because I sent for my baby. He's not feeling well today. Okay, Papa? Hope you feel better soon, okay, baby?
And one can come up and you can slide up the other ones.
How you feel, baby? Feel better, okay, baby? Not gonna be forever, right?
This made the king so angry that he gave orders for every wise man in Babylonia to be put to death, including Daniel and his 3 friends. Daniel, have you heard? Arioch was the king's official in charge of putting the wise men to death. He was on his way to have it done when Daniel very wisely went to him and asked, "Why did the king give such cruel orders?" After Arioch explained what had happened, Daniel rushed off and said to the king, "If you will just give me some time, I'll explain your dream. I will grant you this one request." Daniel returned home and told his 3 friends. Then he said, "Pray that the Elohim who rules from heaven will be merciful and explain this mystery so that we and the others won't be put to death." In a vision one night, Daniel was shown the dream and its meaning. Then he praised the Elohim who rules from heaven. "Our Elohim, your name will be praised forever and forever. You are all-powerful, and you know everything. You control the events of man. You give rulers their power and take it away, and you are the source of wisdom and knowledge." Iron and the clay. Then the iron, the clay, the bronze, the silver, and the gold were crushed and blown away without a trace. You are the greatest of kings, and Elohim has highly honored you with power over all humans.
Good morning, guys. So it is a following day. Obi had already left for work, and right now I am getting Abigail's hair ready for school. Yesterday we did not vlog too much because, as you can see, Josh was not feeling so well, and I was doing so much around the house. So I'm just gonna close off the vlog right here. I hope that you had enjoyed watching. If so, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Please click that bell. Make sure you press all. In that way, you will get notified of all our future upload. But guys, until then, see you all in the next one. And Josh was feeling much better this day. All praises be to the Most High Elohim. See you guys in the next one. Bye.